1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Gary B on the wheels and it's on the mix. And I'm Mike J with a master plan. And the name of this rap is called This Is a Jam. 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 Jam.
Pump up the volume. Pump up the volume. Pump up the volume.
Me, Mike J, on the microphone stand. I like to rock the mic when the jam is ram, and I'm a chill homeboy. You must understand, you must comprehend. I was born in England. The Demon Boy crew will overtake the land with Gary B, Demon D, and me. And all the homeboys see wearing you brand. So go get busy, I regard this as a jam. On my lord, you can call me the Dan. Born in England, we're born in Japan. I got the motivation from my homeboy clan. Understand? I don't talk Italian.
Check this out.
This is a jam.
Oh, yeah.
Now when I enter the rhyme, my rhymes have to be crisp. What was rhyming with and now rhymes with S. Demon D, and if you take the piss, I'll smash you up with my dangerous diss. I don't smoke heroin, I don't smoke spliff, I don't smoke crack. We are the first. Those dangerous drugs put your life at risk. That is crucial. Play in your house on your compact disc. Sound quality you can't dismiss. I'm a natural rhyme naturalist. Special at beatbox specialist.
Check this out.
This is a jam.
Oh, yeah.
Gary B, Demon D, and Mike J. What was rhyming with S now rhymes with A. We've been together from time, and I can say I'm satisfied with every PA. God is the Father, I try to obey. Situated in heaven, and He's there to stay. And with all these girls, I could never be a you. So for me to go the other way, no way. See y'all, the Demon Boys, we're okay. And on the microphone, there ain't no delay. Remarkable, the rhymes I display. For me to switch from rhyming, I'll never ever sway.
Check this out.
This is a jam.
Oh, yeah.
Well, I like to ride the mic when the jam is packed. What was rhyming with A, now rhymes with act. Now, Demon's back, I'm on the attack. And as I warned you before, don't touch no crack. I dress in black, so mind your back. I've got the knack on the microphone stack. Yes, Mike J, that is a fact. We're a chill homeboy, it's where it's at. Her oncoming car with a failing back is not my rhyme. It's not the ripping rap, so don't ever try and battle us, cause you all lack the necessary talent to make this back.
Check this out.
This is the jam. DJ Gary B.
Oh, yeah.
Cut it in mellow.
Oh, yeah.
Cut it in mellow.
Yeah.
Cut it in mellow.
Oh, yeah.
Cut it in mellow.
Oh, yeah.
Cut it in mellow.
Oh, yeah.
Cut it in mellow.
Now we're gonna change the style and keep on going on. This is the jam, is the title of the song. Or call it a rap, still the rhyme's not wrong. The lyrics are fresh and they're in top form. I don't fight, others don't suck or sip. Just select another sound from my rhyming kit. Girls get impressed and they're on my tip. And this is not no ego trip. For different, well that's a misinterpretation. Making cold cash means you have to rat the nation. Fighters get paranoid and fill up oscillation. And if you're feeling hot, then increase the ventilation.
Check this out.
This is the jam.
Oh, yeah.
Tottenham and Hornsey is a registered resident. Crew participant, no I ain't a president. If I was, I would reduce unemployment. I don't toy, that's why the Demon Boy man. Moving around from week to weaker. Amplified sound from mic to speaker. Rhyme by day, by night, I sleep. But your rhymes are neat, but mine I need to. On or off the mic, you know I am a Casanova. Chilling around, don't drive no rover. Special dedication to you, if I know ya, rock it on, I'll show ya.